good morning friends. I've taken to your market where the more vegetables and fruits are sold. Yeah, can you see this? A pumpkin. Mommy makes sambar in that. Can you see the pumpkin, ordinary pumpkin? And next you see an ash cut where the people will just break as a coconut. Yes. People who cast eye on them, they'll just roll up and they just throw. Can you see the greens like mint? Yeah, he's selling curry leaves for them. Right, can you see children? Yes, here you see an uncle who's selling mint, coriander leaves. Can you see the mint? Yeah, it's mint. And this is coriander leaves. Can you see the ash gun and the rate of it? Uncle is in charge of it. Can you see here? Yes, it's a banana stem. Banana plantain stem. Can you see children? Yes. Next we see a sister who's selling ginger. Can you see? She's selling ginger. Greens. Can you see the ginger and greens over here? Yes. Can you see some more gingers and garlic for you? And it is a bottle gourd. Wow. Will mommy make bottle gourd for you? Do you like it? Keep eating. It's very good. Children will have, if your auntie and mommy is too fat for you, oh, if they eat this water vegetable, really they'll become thin. You want to be slim and fit? Take bottle gourd. And here you see mango. It's not a season of mango. It's very special. See? Yeah. But can you see children? Yes, mustn't touch. You're not buying it. Can you see the garlic over there? You know what vegetable is that? Yeah, it's Indian. What's that? It's an Indian broad beans. Okay? Do you like mommy fry and give for you along with the eggs? Do you like children? Wow, my favorite vegetable is here. Can you see what is here? Oh, it's broccoli. Do you remember the vegetable which I've taught long ago? Yeah, it's a broccoli. Yeah, cauliflower family. Wow, cauliflower is next to it. Want mommy make cauliflower 65 for you? Oh, enjoy. Here we see the peas. Can you see the peas, children? Right. And this is what beans? French bean. You like this French bean? Wow. Very good children. I'm so happy. Yeah. Here you have spring onions you saw. Small onions, garlic. Come closer children, come closer. What vegetable is this? Taro root. It is also a family, yeah. Yes, root, taro root. You like? Yes. Next we have another sister. She's also selling our favorite cabbage and yam. Wow. You like cabbage? Yeah. You like cabbages? Wow, it's very good. You can eat it raw. You can eat raw vegetables like cabbage. It's very good for you. Can you see the varieties? It's white and that is very green in color. Yeah, it's a little bit flat and round like a ball. And can you see a yam over there? Yeah, people call it as elephant foot. Can you see children? Wow. Yeah, then come see your favorite, what's it? Coconut! Wow. We like coconuts, isn't it? Yeah, we like to drink the water and we like to eat coconut. Wow, very nice. Everywhere you see coconuts. Next we see plantains. Oh, mommy will make chips for you. You like children? Yes. Green plantains. What are these? Come on, say. Come on. Drumstick. Wow. You like drumstick? What does your mommy make with drumstick? Sambar. Right. What are these? Cucumbers. Come on, say children. Cucumber. Wow, it's good. You can eat raw. Isn't it? Cucumbers are very good. It's cool. You can eat raw. It's harmless. Next we see. What are these? Come on, tell me. Capsicum. What's the color of a capsicum? Green in color. Dark green. Very nice. Cool for our eyes. Right, children? Yes. Here we see another vegetable. Chow chow. Yeah, kohlrabi. Can you see both are in light green? Next we see, what do you see? Radish. You like radish? I don't like the smell of radish. Do you like, children? No, miss. Okay, next we see beetroot. What will your mommy make out of beetroot? Tell me. Halwa. Right. Very good. Very nice. Keep eating. You can also put on your face. You'll become fair and beautiful. Oh, our favorite vegetable. A sister is waiting for us to buy the carrots. What will you make out of carrots? Will mommy make carrot cake for you? Ask her to make a gift for you. These are carrots. They are very good for your eyes. Carrots are very good for eyes. What vegetable is this? These are lady's finger. They are very good. If you want to do maths very well, you can eat them so. There we see green peas. It's peeled and kept for us. And here we see long beans. What are these? Some say it's string beans also, children. Yeah, she's selling. She's so quiet. She's very patient for us. And here we see variety of brinjals. Wow, it's violet in color. Yes, we say that it is very good. And you will get long hair. If you want to have a long growing hair, you can eat plenty of brinjals where you'll get iron. Wow, it's green vegetable. Oh, there's another kind too. Even that is also good, children. Keep on eating the vegetables. Raw vegetables are good. Keep eating vegetables. Wow, here we see the rib gourd. Very nice. It is also very soft to eat. Next comes bitter gourd. My goodness, I don't like this. Please excuse me. I don't want to eat this bitter gourd. Oh, miss, please excuse me, miss. Yes, bitter gourds are bitter, but it's good for our health. Next, here we see snake gourd. You like children's snake gourd? Yes, without spicy. Tell mommy to prepare for you. My favorite. What is this? Yeah, mommy will make juice out of it. What is this? Lemon. You like lemon juice? Eat. Yeah, at the time of Corona, what should be drunk often? Yes, lemon juice with ginger and salt. Keep on drinking so that your throat will be clear. Oh, there we saw a long bitter gourd, and here we seeing a small bitter gourd which we grow in our garden. Even this is bitter, isn't it? Can you eat raw? No, miss. We cannot eat raw. Children, this is also good for health. Keep on eating. What? Our favorite. What's it? It's corn. But miss, my corn is not here. Baby corn is not here. This also is very good. Sweet corn is good for us. Keep on eating, children. Yeah, not raw, but boiled with salt alone. Yes, more and more vegetables. I don't like this, miss. Please excuse me. Yes, we have a plant flower too. Children, there we see potatoes. Yes, kinds of potatoes people are buying. Children, you like to eat potatoes with chips? Yes. What vegetable is this? Potatoes. You like potatoes? Potatoes is good for children. What your mommy will make out of potatoes? I can't hear your voice. Please tell me, children. Chips. Yes, finger chips. Will you eat every day? No, not every day. Here we saw kinds of fruits and vegetables in the shop, and I have showed you more and more vegetables. Eat a vegetable each day so that you will be hale and healthy. Tomatoes cut here, and here you see onions which we don't like. isn't it? Yes, children. Keep on eating vegetables, more and more vegetables, so that you can live hale and healthy. Okay, children? Okay. And here we see the owner of the shop, DJ Money and Sendil Kumar. Yeah, they are the owners. They are so kind enough to allow us to take the videos for you children. Let's say thank you for them. Thank you, uncle. Thank you, thank you, thank you. They are very red in color. Can you see the fruits? Some more fruits? Let's watch. Fruits. And the right side, right. Children, just take 4 vegetables in your hand. Tomatoes, carrots, cabbage and beans. And we'll sing the song in page number 73. Can you see this page? Yes, you can go to school and get your 3rd term book. It's ready. Okay, children? Yes. Vegetables. Shall we sing? Ready? Be clever, children. God bless you. Till we meet the next class. Bye-bye.